Hello, this is a short overview of the new features available in XBRLAnalyst that you can download from our website findynamics.com to access financial data in Excel live. The first thing that you can notice after installing XBRLAnalyst in Excel is the list of most recent accessions or reports submitted to SEC. It's a list of 20 most recent filings, and the list is updated every 2 minutes. You can click any filing and it will take you to Financial Explorer, where it will pre-select the company that you clicked and the first report, which is the most recent one. For every report you can browse all the financial statements. If you double click the statement, it will open Financial Statement Viewer and you can see all the details. At the bottom you have controls to show, for example, units or credit debit balance or XBRL tags. Any value you can drag and drop in Excel, and you can browse footnotes in the form of HTML blocks. You can also view the full HTML report in Excel. You can search in the report for any keyword and it will highlight the keywords, and if you change one keyword for another one, it will change the highlight color so that you can track what you were searching before. Now for every report we added the new section called Normalized Report, where you can find 3 standard normalized statements: income statement, balance sheet, and cash flow. And if you click it, you will see the list of standardized accounts with the values. Any value can be tracked back to the original report. Just click right button and choose Trace to Report. It will switch to Statements and Notes, will find the corresponding statement or disclosure, and will highlight the line corresponding to the value. As you were able to do to plot graphs, if you click the button with bar chart, you can point at any line item and it will start creating graphs, and you can get historical data. The same graphs could be created quickly for normalized values. Just point at the line and you can click A for all, and you can filter it either by quarter or by annual data, and you can add multiple accounts. You can add labels, and once you found the optimal combination of accounts that you are interested in, you can export it in Excel with the E button, where that will export all the data in Excel. You can also export normalized statement, as you can see it in Excel, by just pressing the values button, or you can export the original statement, balance sheet or cash flow or any other statement, in the same manner. You choose Excel and click values. We also began adding a new section under Normalized Report called Normalized Disclosures. Currently there are 2 types of disclosures: inventory and warranties. And for the company that we selected, you can click Inventory. That's the inventory disclosure normalized, where any value can be traced back to the original report. You can see it finds the node details where the inventory is disclosed and highlights the corresponding line. And the other one is warranties disclosure. That works in the same principle. You click any cell and choose Trace to Report, and it finds you the line with the details about the warranties. Each component you can see here can be exported in Excel, or you can drag the cell and this will pre-build the formula with the corresponding normalized concept in square brackets and the year and the period reference. With these parameters you can quickly find appropriate values for other years too. You just change the year, hit enter, you get the value, and when you point at the cell you see the full details about the value and where it comes from. And as you could trace the value from the disclosure in the viewer, you can as well trace it from Excel. Just click right button or use trace to report and select. This will find the corresponding value in the report. With that, you have full access to as reported values, normalized values, and the connection between them. You can view how each normalized value is calculated. You can toggle the tags button that will show additional column explaining how the normalized values are actually mapped onto XBRL concepts. The normalized financial statements you will find under the new tab are not limited in terms of the accounts you see here. For the full expanded list of normalized concepts, you can click Normalized Financials buttons and you'll find many different categories and subcategories that we added in the new version. So for example, under the income statement you will now find a lot of subcategories for revenue, for operating expenses, for net income, so on and so forth. For the balance sheet we expanded the definitions for holders equity. You can see many different kinds of stockholders equity that you can use to get the value, normalized value. With this we conclude our short video tutorial about the new features of XBRLAnalyst and recommend visiting our website findynamics.com and trying XBRLAnalyst for free. There are two main versions, Standard and Corporate, and you can also have access for free to the viewer in Excel. Thank you.